Star review of the Samsung 40 Odyssey G7. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an absolute beast of a gaming monitor that's been dominating my setup, the Samsung 40 Odyssey G7. This thing is a powerhouse, and I'm not just talking about its specs, but how it performs in real-life gaming sessions. First off, let's talk about the display itself. This 40-inch curved screen is absolute heaven for gamers. With a 1000 curvature, you'll feel like you're stepping into your favorite game world. Everything wraps around to create an immersive experience that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. And with a brilliant ultra-wide 4K resolution, you get stunning clarity and color accuracy that's hard to match. Now, I know what you're thinking, what's so special about a 4K resolution? Well, my friends, let me break it down for you. 4K means 4 times the number of pixels as a full HD monitor, which translates to more vivid colors, deeper blacks, and an overall sharper image that'll make your eyes water with joy. And trust me, this display delivers, whether I'm playing fast-paced FPS games or exploring the vast open worlds of RPGs. But it's not just about looks, it's also about performance. That 180Hz refresh rate is where things get really interesting. With a lag-free gaming experience that's so smooth you'll feel like you're inside the game, this thing makes competitive play look ridiculously easy. And let me tell you, after playing on this monitor for hours straight, I can see why gamers rave about it. There's no judder, no tearing, and no stuttering to speak of. And then there's VESA DisplayHDR 600. Now, don't get intimidated by the name. In plain English, that means deeper blacks, brighter whites, and an overall more immersive viewing experience that draws you into the game like never before. It's like having a movie theater right in your own living room, minus the popcorn, of course. Another feature I want to mention is AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. If you're not familiar with the term, let me explain. It basically means the GPU and panel work together seamlessly to reduce screen tearing and lag, making for a gaming experience that's silky smooth and almost, well, near lag-free. But here's the cherry on top, picture-by-picture mode. This is essentially a gamer's dream come true. With this feature enabled, you get maximum customization and control over your display. Want to adjust brightness, contrast, or even turn off certain features? It's all at your fingertips, baby. Energy efficiency is also where the Odyssey G7 really shines. With its low power consumption and eco-friendly design, you can enjoy hours of gaming without worrying about draining your wallet or harming the environment. Plus, with a reasonable price tag, it feels like Samsung is having fun giving back to their fans. I mean, I've seen some other gaming monitors in my time, but this one takes the cake for sheer performance and value. If you're serious about taking your gaming experience to the next level, without breaking the bank or sacrificing too much of your wallet's sanity, then trust me when I say the Samsung 40 Odyssey G7 is worth every penny. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link below for the best price on this incredible monitor, and get ready to take your gaming sessions to new heights. How sweet is that?